Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Afaq New Sun Series. Student Resource Pack. English Grade 5. Academic Planner Unit 1. Worksheet number 23 to 27. The topic of this sheet is definite and indefinite articles. Question is, put the missing article in following paragraph to complete it. My neighborhood is a very interesting place. My home is located in an apartment building downtown, near many stores and offices. There is a small supermarket across the street where my family likes to go shopping. There is a post office and a bank near our home. In our neighborhood, there is the small green park where my family likes to have picnics on weekends and holidays. There is a small pond in the park, and there are many ducks in the pond. We like to invite our friends when we go there, and we always have a great time. In addition, there is an elementary school close to our home where my little brother studies. There are so many things to see and do in my neighborhood, and that's why I like it. It's really a great place. Now move towards the next sheet. Topic of this sheet is subject verb agreement, and the question is, read each sentence and circle the correct verb to complete each sentence. Okay. First sentence is, Kamran is going to school. Very good. Kamran is going to school. Point number 2. The players are going to the playground. Very good. The players are going to the playground. Point number 3. He is one of the best hockey players of the team. Very good. He is one of the best hockey players of the team. Point number 4. They are going to the market. Okay, very good. They are going to the market. Point number 5. We are excited that we are going on a field trip. Very good. We are excited that we are going on a field trip. Point number 6. She is one of the brightest student in the class. Very good. She is one of the brightest students in the class. Point number 7. They are looking forward to vacation. Very good. They are looking forward to vacation. Point number 8. They is are going to complete the task. Very good. They are going to complete the task. Point number 9. He is are going to get a basketball. Oh good. He is going to get a basketball. Point number 10. Can you tell if they is are ready to go to play? Oh, very good. Can you tell if they are ready to go to play? Very good. Now move towards the next sheet. And the topic of this sheet is comprehension. Question is, read the given brochure and label its parts using the given word bank. Okay. First one, event features. Oh good. High School Creative Intelligence. Point number 2. Name of institution. Oh very good. High school. Point number 3. Statement to attract readers. Oh wow. Give color to your creative thinking. Point number 4. Name of the events. Wow, good. Are they? Point number 5. Location map. Map is at the end. Okay, good. Other information. Oh wow, good. Drawing and coloring competition for 5 to 10-year-old children. Point number 7. Address. Oh wow, venue 18A Block, Lahore, Pakistan. Very good, that's great.